You turn the key, click, click, but the engine won't start? Before you panic, your starter motor might be telling you something. When a car only makes a clicking sound and doesn't crank, the starter motor is usually the problem. But which part is actually bad? First, the starter solenoid. This part sends power to the starter. If it's worn out, you'll hear a click, but the motor won't spin. Second, carbon brushes. Over time, these wear down and can't deliver enough power to turn the engine. Third, the starter armature or internal windings. If these are burned or damaged, the starter won't rotate at all. Fourth, a stuck or worn starter gear, Bendix gear. It may click but fail to engage the flywheel. So what can you do? Check the battery and terminals first. Low voltage can mimic starter failure. Try tapping the starter lightly, temporary fix only. Rebuild the starter by replacing brushes or solenoid. Or replace the entire starter motor for a long-term solution. If you hear clicking but no crank, don't ignore it. Fixing it early can save you from being stranded.